Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these dragonfly and brass hoop earrings. So we're going to start by attaching the dragonfly to the smallest hoop. So we're going to do that using a jump ring. So you're going to have to find the slit in the jump ring and position your pliers on one side, and then you'll take your pliers on the other side and you're going to gently twist that open. And then you're going to put on the dragonfly, and then you're going to put your hoop on, and then you're going to gently close that back together. Then we're going to open the ear wire. There's the loop right there. We're just going to twist that open. And then on the ear wire, we're going to put all the hoops. And then we're just going to take our pliers and put that ear wire back in place. And then you have your pair of earrings. All supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.